Hello, I'm Lindsay. I'm in Linguistics 3500 this summer, and I have a relatively easy system to make structural diagrams for words or these tree structures. So I just wanted to try to show you real quick how I do that. It might be helpful. I'm going to make this one for unhealthy I found in my textbook on page 126, I think. Let me see. Yep. I use the table tool on my PC on Microsoft Word. I am not familiar with Macs, so I can only help you if you are a PC user with Microsoft Word. So how I do that is I go under my Insert tab, which I already have open here, and insert a table. Unhealthy has 4 layers that I'm going to be doing. Excuse me, I'll show you here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like to leave some space in between to put my arrows, so I'm going to do more than 4. It's worth mentioning that if you want to do multiple trees, like multiple columns of trees, that just depends on how many you go for columns here, but we're going to do, I'll just make 3, but I'm only going to do 1. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that should be enough. We can always add more or take away some if we need to. Okay, so I start with my letters. And I'm going to leave a space in between if there's going to be an arrow. I'm only separating them by 1 space, but we're going to space them out more. I should mention that I write out my tree structures before I've put them on my document. That way I know how many spaces I need. So I don't know if that would help you or not. Okay, so we have all this written out, and then I just kind of throw some spaces in between just to make it a little more organized looking. And then on the second row here, I'm gonna try to center what the type of speech or the part of speech they represent, I guess. This A goes between the second A, F, and N. As you can see, this is not an exact science. And then the A goes in the middle or so. All right, that's the easy part. And then how we insert the arrows that I have is going back to Insert, Shapes. And you see these little arrows. That's what I'm going to use. It's recently used because I use it a lot. But it wasn't hard to find. I didn't search through it. See, it's right here under lines. Dear. Okay. So how you insert these is you go where you want to start the arrow. So not the pointy part, the blank part. You click. And then you scroll down. You see with your dotted line where it's headed, and you let go. And that's how you make your arrow. If you want to continue making arrows, you can just go up here to this little dish. Press. Let go. I'm going to continue doing that. If you press anything on this before you click away, it's going to move your arrow. Like if you want to stop, just click away someplace else. Otherwise it does weird stuff. I don't fully understand it. Insert, shape, arrow. I'm going to press down, drag, let go. Okay. So that is the basic way to do things. The reason why this has no lines is because I don't like how the lines look, but they're very easily left on. I don't think they make anything terrible. So to take them off, I come up here to my table tools and I choose no border. That's all. And of course you could just continue that over here and down or whatever's best, and it's going to get more complicated when you have more layers, but that is how I do it, and I hope that I was clear and this helps.